Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Coding Hives. This is Rasina with you. So today we are going to learn about set comprehension in Python. So I will explain in detail how this set comprehension work with some real life examples. So what is mean by a set? As you know, a set in Python is a collection of unique items, right? It means that it automatically removes all duplicates. And sets are also unordered. That means we cannot access the elements using any index. So they don't keep any items in any particular sequence. Okay, so that is mean by set. So now I will explain how we can do this set comprehension in a clear way. Okay, I have a list named numbers and it contains some elements like 1 2 2 then 3 then 4 as you know, this list can contain duplicate elements, right? So if I want unique numbers, then I can simply make this as set, right? So as I told before, like set they did not contain any duplicate elements. So if I am going to print this thing, you can see we will get a list of elements. This is set we can identify using this curly braces, and here the duplicating 2 and 4 are removed, right? So this is our basic set look like. So now I will tell how this set comprehension works, or what is this mean by this set comprehension. So this set comprehension is a quick way to create a new set by applying some specific condition or transformation to each element in an iterable, like a list or a range. Okay, if I think if you have used list comprehension before, so you will see that set comprehension is almost identical to this list comprehension, except we are using curly braces instead of these square brackets. Okay, so now I will tell how we can use that set comprehension. I will just write the syntax first. For example, our new set will be look like this, like the curly braces. Then we will put some expression here. Then we will iterate for each element. For item in iterable, then we will ask some condition. For example, if I want to check even numbers, then there will be some condition like that. So this is the basic syntax. Now I will explain how we can make this set comprehension. Okay, so for example, if you want to get squares of numbers from 1 to 5, but only numbers greater than 2. So here my condition is I'm going to create something using set comprehension. Here I want to get squares of numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 5 I want. Then one condition is there. What is my condition? Like only for numbers greater than 2. Okay, so I can write something only for numbers greater than 2. Okay, so how I can do that? So for that I need to do declare a square set. Then in the curly braces, the expression means what will be the output looks like. Here we want the square, right? So we can first write the expression to make a square of a number. This is expression, right? X square. Okay, then we need to iterate, right? So we iterate mean we need to start from a number and end with a number, right? So we need to loop. So for x in here we need to use this range function, right? Range 1 then till 5, I mean include 5, right? So here we need to use 6. 5 plus 1 we need to use, right? Then we need to write the condition. What is the condition? Like the number should be greater than 2. Okay, so here we can give something like that, x greater than 2. Okay, so now if I'm going to print this thing, you can see like only comes the numbers of squares whose like greater than 2. So we are getting something like 1 and 2 are ignored, then the next number is 3, right? So that square is 9, then 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Why? Because like this, like it is not keeping any order, right? That is the main thing of set. Okay, so this is the way it works. Now I will tell one other example, for example, you want to do something like unique letters in a word. Okay, unique letters in a word. So you want to remove all the repeating letters. That is our aim. Okay. So here I have a word like I can give programming. You all are interested in programming, right? That is why you are here. So here I'm going to unique, yeah, unique letters, letters. Okay. So here I am going to convert using this set comprehension. Okay. So here letter for letter in word, right? Or iterable is word, right? So now we can print this thing. Here no condition is needed, right? So it simply we can get the letters, unique letters. So here you can see like each letter comes only once only, right? So it will iterate for each letter in the character, each letter in the word, and it will store in this unique letter set, and we are getting the output something like this. Okay, so this is the way here this set comprehension works. Clear? Now I will give you one more example. Like I want to filter even numbers. Filter even numbers. Okay, as you know how we can get even numbers, we need to divide the number with 2, and if the remainder is 0, that means even number. So getting the remainder, we have an operator like modulus operator in Python, right? So here I will write one list like numbers. Then I have some numbers. I'm giving some numbers randomly, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8. Okay, this is my list. Now I want even numbers. Okay, so here I am also using set comprehension. So here we need the expression is the number, like there is no calculation we need to do, right? Then we need to do the iteration for num in numbers. Okay, so this is the iteration. Next, what we need to do, we need to check if that number is even, then only we need that, right? If num mod 2 equal to 0, that means that is an even number, right? So now if I'm going to print this thing, you will get the even numbers. That's it. Now we will run this code. We will get the output something, yeah, 8246. Okay, clear? So this is the way it works. Now I will give you some more practical applications of set comprehension. Imagine you are working with a data set containing thousands of email addresses, okay? But you only want unique domain names, okay? So how we can do that? I will give a sample, okay? So this is the practical application we are going to implement with this set comprehension. So for example, here I am giving some sample only. I'm not writing the large data set. So I have a email set. Okay. So in that I have, for example, Asha at this domain is maybe some examples.com. Okay. Then I have another guy. His name is maybe I can give Bob. Okay. Bob is maybe from yahoo.com. Then I'm giving someone else. What name I can give, like Mimi at examples.com. Then I have another guy who is Daniel. Then I can give sample, something like that, sample.net. Okay, yeah. So these are the elements I have. These are the emails I have. So here I want unique domains only. Okay, unique means there are no repetition. So here our output should be something like that: examples, then Yahoo, then sample, right? Here two examples are there, but we need only one. So that is meant by unique. So now how I can do that? Using this set comprehension. Here I am going to explain. Okay, so domains. Now here I want something like email. Okay, email. This is one email I will get from this emails list. Then I need to split that, right? We already learned how this split function works. If you don't know, please watch my split video. So here we need to split using this thing, right? This one, this at symbol. So here I am going using this at symbol. Then I want the first one, right? So like 1. Then I can write something like that for email in emails. Okay, so here what is happening is it will iterate for each email. It will go for the first email, then it will split this Asha at examples.com by using this split thing. So it will come something like this. It will get this domain examples.com. Okay, so the first one will be Asha, zeroth will be Asha, and first one will be 1. That is why we mentioned here first element only we need, like first index only we need. That is why I put here 1. If I am putting here 0, I will get Asha only. Okay, if you want to collect the names, you can put here 0. If you want to collect the domains, you want to put here 1. Clear? So this is the way it will work. So now if I'm going to print this thing, you can see we will get this. Okay, if you have doubt, we can give here 0. You can understand, like you will get the names only. Clear? Imagine you are coding a system to tag special social media posts with unique hashtags based on the words in each post. Like you want to identify the unique hashtags in a post. Okay, I will write the problem as unique hashtags. So these are the real world solutions, like real world applications where we can use this set comprehension. For example, I have a post like this is, I'm using a hashtag. This is mean by hashtag. I hope you know that, right? Tutorial in, then I am again writing hashtag Python. Then I'm writing for, then again writing hashtag beginners spelling, yeah, beginners. Then and I can say the hashtag as coders. Okay, so this is my post. Now we are going to find the unique tags in our post. Okay, so that I'm giving a name unique tags. Then I'm going to write this set comprehension. So I will take each word from this post. Okay, so for that I can use something like that, word for word in post. Okay, but here we need to like this is a string, right? We need to iterate from each word. So I can use something like this. I can split each word. So I can use something like this. Okay, so we will get a collection of words. Then in that I need to check if that word, there is a function like for checking the hashtag, we need to check something like that if that word is start with a hash, right? So for that we have a function in Python like starts with. Okay, so we can simply give hash. Clear? So here we are iterating for each element, or I mean each word in this list. Then if that word starts with the hash, then it will be stored in this unique tag. So there will be no repetition and all. We can print this thing. So now if I am going to print this thing, you can see I'm getting hash coding, hash coders, beginners, Python. Clear? So these are the hashtags in our post. Okay. So that's it for today's video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.